Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this. So today I'm going to vlog my day. So yeah, I don't know what this day holds, but I am gonna go to like some places to like TJ Maxx and stuff like that, and I decided to take you guys along with me. But if you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and the types of videos I normally film are vlogs. So sit back and relax and hopefully you enjoy my videos. Oh, you can see me in the background. Hello. So anyways, the reason why I want to go to like TJ Maxx is because I've been wanting to buy some decorations for my room. I don't know if you saw my previous videos, like 2 videos ago. I removed the stuff here and then now it looks a little bit bare and I want a little bit more not really. I just want to add like a decoration here or something like that. Also, right here is really empty. It's empty and I want to add like a little plant or like a fake plant or something along those lines. So yes, that is one of my goals. And excuse the mess, but this section right here, it's very cluttered and I want to add like a small like wicker basket here and put all my items so it could look cute, you know? So yes, I'm also gonna go to Costco and buy some items. So yeah, let's go. So we just left Costco. We just got some junk food. This is one of them. I'm so excited to eat it. Okay, so I just got back from the mall and I'm gonna show you what I got. I went to a few places and first place I went to was JCPenny's. So they're having a lot of good deals there. So I normally like to go to the rack because they have like pretty shirts and like really good price. And one of them being, this sweater. It's a beautiful knitted sweater. It's a beautiful knitted sweater and here it is. So pretty. It's not long, but it's nice and it's really soft and warm, which I love. The material is nice. And for this one, the total cost was $11.69. That's a bargain. That's a really good deal. Because I know like these tend to run like $40 or something like that. It's really expensive. So I think I got it at a good price. Next thing is this cute, simple shirt. And it has adorable little like daisies on it. Right now I've been liking flowers, as you can tell. But yeah, when I saw this, the color is beautiful and has beautiful daisies. It's simple but cute, you know? Last thing I got at JCPenny was this other shirt. And it's another, was it daisies, I think? I'm not even sure if they're called daisies, but it's this shirt. It's simple but nice. I like it. Those are the only stuff I got at JCPenny's. And the next place I went to was Marshall's. So I don't normally go to Marshall's because it's a little bit further away, but when we went to this place, it was a lot bigger and there's so many stuff and I kept looking at rows. I'm like, there's a lot of items. And yeah, so the first thing I got, I don't know if this is, okay, oh, I'm so scared I might break it. Oh, I'm starting to like plants. So I got this lavender flowers, and normally I see ones that are like kind of just green, but this one had color. I want to put more green into my room, so more flowers in my room. So this one was nice. It's really pretty, subtle, it's cute. So yeah, it's really tiny and simple but pretty, you know? So yeah. The next thing I got is this one. It's very simple, but I like it. It's nice. It looks very fake, but it's okay. And when I was getting these, my mom asked, why don't I just get like real flowers? Knowing me, I'm not going to take care of it. So these are nice. They'll always be green. So yeah. So the next thing I got were candles. I love the candles there because they're relatively big and very cheap. So yes. Oh, and the design looks so beautiful. Like, look at the design. It's so beautiful. And then this one's called Sand Plus Fog, inspired by California coast, sun washed citrus. Made with essential oils, woman owned, which is cool. It smells very citrusy, very calm. And the next one is very similar to this one. It's this one. Yeah, it's by the same brand. Woman owned, Sand and Fog Home. Sand plus fog. Cool. So this one's called Asian Pear. It smells like a hint of sweet and pear. And I love the design. It's so beautiful. So yes, that is all I got. Okay, so this is where I placed it. It looks nice. I feel like it's a little bit cluttered though. So I don't know if I should place it there or right here. But I kind of want this to be like empty, you know? Or maybe... Actually, no, I like it here. Yeah, I kind of like it there. It's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there. And then the other one is right here. It fits perfectly. I love it. I'm so happy because it has like little gold, I don't know, stuff to it. And then this is also gold. It's like white, white, gold, gold. You know, I like it. It fits good. Yay. So it is several hours later. Right now I'm just honestly creating a, what is it called? A media kit. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Like, thank God for YouTube and Google so I can search up every information, because like I was getting overwhelmed. Like, I don't know what to add, but should I add a lot of images? What should I say? What should I not add? But yes, so far I'm gonna show you how it looks. So yeah, this is my media kit. Currently I'm using, what is it called? Canva. The website Canva, and they have like a lot of pre-made, so you can just like add in the information already. Here is my first page, and then I'm gonna start doing this page right now. I have no idea what to write in my about me page. I always get nervous what to write. Like, I don't know, but whatever. It's at least I'm starting, you know. And I'm also drinking tea. I love how like there's like a leaf right there, like you see that? That is so cute. My aunt gave me like this little box of tea, and I like putting the little tea bag because there's a little green, there's a little leaf here. I don't know, I just thought it was cute and I should share. That's all I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed my vlog, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.